Hi, this is Jid and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add the picture in your home page, your WordPress website through beta editor. For example, this kind of this kind of text and video, okay, and this kind of image and text. Okay, so let's start. Before start, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, log into your dashboard. Last videos, we create this and this cover page and this services portion. If you don't see that video, get a link from description and check it out. So from here, I'm gonna enter here a video and text. Go to your editor by clicking here, edit side. Go to your editor, click here, click on plus. Click on plus, search here media. From here you can see a media and text where the media and text come together. Click on that. As you can see, one side is media and one side is content where you add your content. For example, if you want to change the position, you can change from here. Okay, let's first add an media. For the beginners, I told you from where you can get a free pick. If you don't know, go to that. For example, I'm gonna tell you again. Go to your Google, log into pixel.com, and from here select according to your niche, according to your website requirement. Okay, for example, I upload here computer screen, and you can see a computer screen over here. Okay, I download this one. I download this pic. Go to your editor, click on upload. From here, upload a video. And as you can see, the pic is uploaded here. If you want to write a content over here, click on plus, add a heading. For example, you write on heading like welcome to Ria. Welcome to Ria Tech. You can write whatever you want. Okay, you can change the size of that. Look, for example, large. Click on content and write the content. For example, if you don't know what content you write, you can hire a content writer from by going on freelancing, Fiverr, and other. Okay, so write content over here. For example, I write that. So I write this type of data over here, and click on save, and have a look what it's how it's look like now. Refresh. So as you can see now how it's look like now. If you want to change the size, I already told you, pick a small image, okay, like that. If you want to add to more text over here, you can add. Click on save and have a look how it's look now. Okay, so it does look like now, right? So if you want to add a video over here, go here, click here, click on plus, and same enter media and text. From here, upload a upload a video. For example, I upload anyone, you have to upload according to your uh, choice. For example, I upload this one, okay, and I write about it, and I write anything about it, about this video. The video is about, okay. So first add an heading over here, okay. Click on save, refresh it, and as you can see now, you can play this video from here. If you want to create a gap over here, go here, click here, add on plus, add a heading. For example, I write here video section. You can write according to your choice. Increase that size, align in center, okay, and click here the arrow mover, so it will come here. Or you can write whatever you, for example, you want to write here web development, okay. You can also change the color of that. For example, I change that color in orange and click on save and have a look. Now it's look like now, see, it's look like now, right? Okay, you can also put a background over here. If you don't know how to put, now watch the previous video so you will learn how to add this, okay. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and concern, ask me in comment, I will help you. And if you don't know how to add text and other thing, and how to customize text, must watch the previous video. Take care, see you in other video.